If you're thinking of borrowing money for the first time and you're not sure what that entails, then allow me to take you through the process. First of all, you need to be over 18, working at least 16 hours a week, or retired, and be a Channel Island resident. The first step to borrowing is to make an application or to get a quote. You can do this by phoning up our branch, or you can visit the branch in person, or you can apply online using our website. So before we quote, we're going to need to know some basic information. First of all, how much are you looking to borrow? What's the loan for? How long are you looking to take the loan over the period of time? And how much do you think would be affordable to pay back on a monthly basis? Depending on the amount that you're looking to borrow, we may require some additional documentation like bank statements. If you're happy with the quote and wish to proceed with your application, then the next step is for us to carry out the usual credit checks. What this entails is us contacting credit reference agency Experian and a local judgments register. This enables us to see whether you have any other creditors and how you're paying them back. If anything does show up on there, we'll be able to contact you in order to obtain a clearer picture of the situation. So next, we will propose your application to our underwriters and await a decision. This can take anywhere between an hour and 24 hours, depending on the value of the application and if you have any credit history with us. So if your loan application is approved, then we need to decide and agree upon a few admin issues. Firstly, when's your first payment going to be? You can pick a date, as long as it's within 30 days of your signing date. Secondly, how are we going to transfer the money to you? We can either do this by cheque or by same-day transfer. And lastly, we need to decide where the proceeds are going to go. So next, it's time to come in and sign the documents in person. When you do this, you'll need to bring with you some photo ID, so passport or driver's license, and also some address proof dated within the last 3 months, so a utility bill or the cover of your bank statement. So next, you get your money. If you come in and sign before 1 PM, you should get the funds on the same day. So within a week, you should receive in the post copies of your documentation. It's important that you keep these safe, because if you require additional copies in the future, you may be charged. It's important that we keep your details up to date. So for example, if you change your address or your telephone number, then let us know. Similarly, if you get married and you change your name, then it's important that we know your new name. But also keep our details safe. Because if you need anything in the future and you're looking for additional finance, then don't hesitate to contact us. Because we'll have already had your details on our system, we'll be able to offer you a fast-track service.